You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. How to pronounce in Italian. Italian politician, lawyer, journalist, philosopher, political activist. Italian pronunciation. Giuseppe. Just replace the G-I with a J and the U with an U, a double O. Giuseppe. Because you have a double P, you need to stress on that P part. Giuseppe. Giuseppe Mazzini. The double Z has to be stressed on, and double Z pronounced more like TS in Italian. Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini. That's your Italian pronunciation here. If you cannot pronounce or don't want to pronounce it that Italian way, you can say Giuseppe Mazzini. That's your English pronunciation, let's call it. Giuseppe Mazzini from Italian. Giuseppe Mazzini. And now you know. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.